How to disable new lock screen widgets in Windows 11. In this video, I'm gonna show you two ways. Firstly, open settings on your device and click on personalization. Scroll down and select the option lock screen. Here you need to scroll down to the section lock screen widgets, then toggle off the switch for that option. If this option isn't available, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard to have this kind of run dialog. On this dialog box, type in gpedit.msc and press enter. On this menu, go to Computer Configuration. From the right side, select Administrative Templates. Now select the first option, Control Panel. Now click on the option Personalization. Here click on the option Do not display the lock screen. On this menu, select the option Disable. Then click on OK at the bottom. That's all for today. Thank you.